What's going on, guys? I'm bringing you this video here today about this Yeezy 350 V2, the reflective static. So I just wanted to do an unboxing for you all so you guys can see that. And I have the regular ones coming up also. So once I get those, surprisingly enough, the Adidas shipment is taking longer than the Yeezy Supply shipment, so I'm not really sure what that's all about. But once I get that, I'm gonna do in comparison, and with the reflective and all that. So, as you know, if you're trying to get these reflectives, one of the tricks per se was to get the socks in the cart and then go to the cart once you add the shoes, so you were able to check out faster. So that's the reason that I got the socks for. So I just wanted to share that with you guys for future drops. And here's the part of the unboxing. When it comes to the shipment from Yeezy Supply, I was expecting from prior YouTube videos that they were taking like a month or so to even send a confirmation out or shipment. In my case, I did receive my order confirmation within an hour or two after making the purchase. And then by the very next day, which was the 27th of December, I got the shipment confirmation, and I actually got these on January 1st. I didn't get to them until today because I was out of town for New Year's vacation. So actually I got them pretty fast. So that was my experience with Yeezy Supply. I do know that a lot of people's had bad experiences with them, but so far personally it was just it's standard. It was actually faster than Adidas because the very next day, once I ordered the regular ones, they didn't ship until like yesterday or something like that. I just got the email. So, that was surprising, but in a good way. When it comes to the shoes, I was expecting them to be a little bit on the darker side, on the prime knit, but I guess it's one of those things that with the reflective, I'm curious to see the regular ones to see if it's going to be darker on the upper, so we'll see. But overall is a very good looking shoe, and at this point I'm gonna give you guys some close-ups, and then I'm gonna activate the reflective so you guys can get a peek of that. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I will try to upload the other video with the reflective versus non-reflective so you guys get a view of that. But other than that, thank you very much, and see you guys next time.